Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We buy, sell, and trade new and used machinery. Our certified pre-owned machinery is located in-house, and we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. For an up-to-date list of machinery for sale, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. Remember to check back often as our inventory changes daily, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And additionally, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. Also check out our website for hundreds of new machines and request a highly competitive quote. We are going to take a look at a Pistorius MN200 double miter saw with fence and stop. This machine is fully operational and comes with an 8-foot feed table and one locking jaw stop and scale that is left mounted. It is powered by dual 1.5 horsepower saw duty motors. Those motors are 208, 234, 60 volt. The machine is currently wired 230 volts 3-phase. You do have a 12-inch blade diameter with 5/8 inch arbors. You have a 2 5/8 inch max height capacity and 3 5/16 inch max width capacity. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.